10 signs your blood sugar is high. High blood sugar levels can lead to diabetes and heart disease. To keep them under control, follow a few simple steps. A simple walk or push-up helps keep blood sugar levels in check. High blood sugar is usually caused by a variety of factors. One of these is stress, which can increase carbohydrate levels and cause alcohol consumption. To avoid this, try to limit carbohydrate and dairy products. If the treatment doesn't work, then you should visit the doctor. If it still does, then you should start taking medication. High blood sugar can also have negative effects on the body's natural defenses. These include the kidneys, which can become strained and cause blindness. There are a variety of causes that cause high blood sugar levels. Some of these include surgery, infection, and stress. Other medications can also put you at risk of experiencing negative effects. It is important to note that sometimes, high sugar levels can cause unexplained symptoms. However, they are also common signs to look out for. You could also feel extremely tired even though you're not feeling sick. These conditions could be triggered by high sugar levels. If your blood sugar has been over the threshold for a long time, then suddenly losing weight and experiencing dizzy spells are very possible. It is important that people at risk of developing diabetes get a home testing kit to check their urine for ketones and glucose. If a positive test indicates that diabetes is developing, then they should see their doctor as soon as possible. High blood sugar can also cause vision problems. It is usually not until the later stages of diabetes that these problems are recognized. High blood sugar is often the first thing that comes to mind when it comes to health and diabetes. Aside from being very dangerous, this condition can also cause various symptoms. Due to the increasing number of people who are suffering from high blood sugar levels, it is important that they understand the signs and symptoms of this condition. 10 signs your blood sugar is high. 1. Blurred vision. If you start to have blurred vision, then buy a pair of glasses. It's usually because of high blood sugar. 2. Lack of concentration and dry mouth. Without insulin, the body can't remove glucose from the bloodstream. This causes fatigue and makes it hard to concentrate. High blood sugar levels can also dehydrate you as the body is trying to remove glucose through urination. 3. Constant infection. Other conditions that could affect your health include diabetes and high blood sugar levels. Also, be on the lookout for signs of infections that can affect the pancreas. High blood sugar levels can also lead to diabetes and liver diseases. 4. Impotence. This condition is caused by the poor blood sugar control that men usually have. It damages the blood vessels and nerves. 5. Always tired. Low thyroid levels can also affect your mood and energy levels. 6. Itchy skin. This condition occurs when the blood flow through the body is not maintained. It causes the skin to become itchy. 7. Always hungry. If you have a big appetite, it could be because you don't have a hormone called incretin. This hormone helps keep the sugar in the liver working properly. 8. Weight gain. High blood sugar levels are often caused by food that doesn't get into the cells as energetically as it should. This condition makes you feel hungry. 9. Skin issues. If your blood sugar level is high, then you may have developed dark patches on your skin. Also, some of your hands may have developed thick patches of skin. 10. Frequent urination. According to WebMD, people with diabetes tend to urinate about 7 times a day. This is because their blood sugar levels are too high. If your blood sugar levels are too high or too low, then it might cause you to develop health problems. It is also important that you maintain a healthy level of blood sugar to prevent any illness. When sugar is obtained from the food you eat, it is secreted by the pancreas and is required to enter the cells. However, when the sugar is not produced, it stays in the bloodstream. This leads to high sugar levels. High blood sugar can be caused by many factors such as stress, infections, diabetes, and irregular eating patterns. Your body will give you several signs if it has high blood sugar. These signs are very important to know before you get diagnosed with diabetes. You may also feel tired all the time. This could be caused by the lack of sleep or the sudden increase in appetite. Thanks for watching.